Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you solve that issue if you cannot see a reply option in your Instagram. So this setting is can be done on your iPhone and on your mobile phone on Android too. Firstly, I will show you that what the problem is. Whenever you will go on the profile and click on any chat here, you will see a reply option like this. If I click on any chat like this, so you can see whenever I will swipe it, there is an option called reply on this. So how can you solve that issue, or how can you do this setting on your iPhone? Firstly, we just have to go on our setting here on iPhone, click on the setting application and scroll down for the general setting here. In general setting, you will see an option called iPhone storage. Click on that option here and you will see whenever it will open, there is a lot of application you will see in this menu like Snapchat, photos and other you application on your iPhone. So you will just have to select Instagram from these applications like this. I will select Instagram here and then you can offload the application from this setting. It will cause delete your all the caches and all the datas from your Instagram application and force it for shutdown and refreshment. So whenever you will refresh that application, you will see that reply option is available again on your account. And if you don't want to do it, you can just simply delete your Instagram and then you can reinstall it in your iPhone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and if you have any type of doubt, any type of question, any type of query regarding any application, just drop into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.